What's up, everybody? It's your girl Mariah Corinne, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be about this hair. Now, y'all are going to have to excuse me because when I recorded this footage, it was not in the right setting, so there is no sound. I had to do a whole bunch of fixing to this footage, so we're going to do a voiceover. So y'all just ignore the fact that my mouth is moving, but y'all listen to what I'm saying, okay? But nah, so these are Microlink eye-tip extensions from YWigs. And when I tell y'all that this came out bomb, like, do y'all see this? Hold on. Let me give y'all a better look.
This one I gotta do with the jabba. I don't get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Big man, wait, don't you get
So here is the packaging that it came in, and honestly, the shipping time didn't take long at all. I believe it only took maybe like 7 days total, so exactly about a week. So it came in this cute little baggie. You have the 3 bundles. I ordered an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch in their Kinky curly bundles, and it came with a little clip as well. So yeah, not bad at all. And of course, I'll have all of the products listed below in the description box. So what I'm going to show you next is the kit that I ordered off of Amazon. So this kit came with the beads that you will need. That's what's going to secure the extension to your hair, the needle thingy mabobber that you use to thread the bead onto your hair with, and then the pliers that you're going to need to tighten the bead and secure the extension onto your hair. So here I already did the first row and braided out my perimeter leave out. So I'm gonna actually go into depth and show you guys how I installed each individual extension. So as I begin to do this, I realized that a good tip and a big time saver is to thread on multiple beads at once. This definitely cuts out more of the time of you having to start and stop and start and stop. So that's what you see me doing here, is just threading on a few beads, probably like 5 or 6, what I can handle comfortably. So you just see me pulling my hair through the loop, and then it's gonna push the bead onto the base of your hair. Then I'm sticking the eye tip portion of the extension in between the bead and my hair, and then you're gonna use the pliers to smash them together. You want it to be tight so that the extension doesn't fall out, but obviously you don't want it so tight that it's going to, you know, pull on your hair aggressively or just be too much tension on your strands.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight. gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard. And your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Good gracious. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. With my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mention 20,000 patents Picasso. Bitch, be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho.
So here you see that one of the extensions fell out, and that's because in the beginning I was really trying to be gentle with how I was applying pressure with the pliers. But note to self, y'all, when you are pressing that bead down, go ahead and smash that bad boy, because that is what is going to allow you to be able to wear this style as long as it's intended for. Because when you start shampooing your hair and conditioning your hair, you don't want that extension to slip out. So don't be afraid to really, smash that together.
I've been wondering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. My mind it runs. All these nights I've troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane.
So here you see me struggling just a little bit. Really, I was just trying to get a feel for how thick of a piece of my hair that I had. So as you continue to install the extensions, you'll realize based off of the density and thickness of your hair, how much hair you can actually put in a piece and fit the actual extension in. So honestly, it's really going to kind of take a little bit of trial and error for the first few extensions. And then as you go through your head, you'll be able to see what size sections you need to take for your hair.
I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these nights I've troubled me. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind, I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. I need try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need them.
Okay, so here I am basically a little over halfway done, but I used the first two bundles. So I used all of the 22-inch and all of the 20-inch. So once I get to the top here, I'm just adding in the 18-inch bundles. So I just wanted to kind of pause and show you guys how much hair came essentially in a bundle. Alrighty, if you made it to the end of this video, you are a real one. And if you haven't subscribed already, then Come on, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join the family. I already love you. Come join the home team. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys what I didn't use. So within each bundle, it was split up into 4 pieces. So that was what's left over. And honey, this is giving Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan. I was feeling myself a little too much. I felt like a 70s jazz singer, and I'm here for all of it. But this is the final result. I'm just showing you guys the link. Get into it, get into it. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If y'all have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Love y'all and see y'all in my next video.
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba.